Safety is top of mind, and a state crime report shows a drop in serious crimes in Kentucky.
But as WDRB investigates, reporters Valerie Chin and Marcus Green uncovered some of the numbers are inaccurate.
Murders and shootings in Louisville. Violent crime has people worried about their safety.
So let's get to the promising news. Today, we're releasing the report, which shows that serious crime rates decreased in 2022 from the prior year.
Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear talking in July about the Crime in Kentucky report from Kentucky State Police.
It included fewer reports and arrests for homicides, drug offenses, and robberies. The data shows a 6.9% decrease in homicide arrests and a 33% decrease in reports of that crime.
WDRB Investigates found out those numbers aren't accurate. Some of the stats were actually undercounted, especially for Louisville. The report listed just 64 homicides submitted by the Louisville Metro Police Department. But LMPD officials say there were actually 164 homicides last year. Emails obtained by WDRB reveal questions about the overall crime trends in the state. Robin Oates, a records management director for LMPD, wrote in an email to police leadership, "None of the numbers KSP published in the Crime in Kentucky book for 2022 is correct." 2 days later, Oates sent an email to KSP that included a spreadsheet of 2 sets of data showing the numbers KSP published and the numbers LMPD submitted aren't even close. LMPD says it reported over 61,000 serious offenses in 2022 to state police, but the crime report listed just over 44,000, a difference of more than 17,000. And the report shows serious crime reported by LMPD dropped by more than 19%, but LMPD says crime actually went up 12%. So what happened? WDRB uncovered Kentucky State Police and LMPD are at odds over the accuracy of the crime data. LMPD says the department sent crime data through November 2022 to KSP in late December, and then sent monthly data for December and updates in March 2023. KSP says LMPD sent the 2022 data in January 2023, and the data was reflected accurately in the report. And KSP adds the updated data LMPD sent in March was not correctly labeled or timely to be included in the report.
What happened was the report is issued on a certain date, and all law enforcement have to have their numbers in by a certain date. And then KSP publishes what's in by that date. So my knowledge to what happened here is some of it came in late. We will update it.
The new data would mean crime in Kentucky actually declined by 2.1% from 2021 to 2022, not 9.2% like the report claims.
In the end, if we get caught up on the fact that some of the numbers will and always do change versus what we saw was a decrease. And it's important that we're honest to people about both what the numbers are and the trends we're seeing.
After weeks of questions to LMPD and KSP, both agencies issued a joint statement saying they are now both aware of the mislabeled submission and continue to be committed to making sure all crime data is accurately reported in the Crime in Kentucky reports. With photojournalist Darius Bowie, Valerie Chin, WDRB News.